anything and everything. In fact, anything to increase nitric oxide is critical for all of my patients with cardiovascular disease and risk. In fact, myself this morning, I take nitric oxide every morning, or nitric entities that help increase nitric oxide, which we're going to get into these. So as we age, like I said, the more years we're on the planet, our nitric oxide goes down. And we lose, as we age, we lose 80%, 85% of our ability to create nitric oxide. So as we age, we lose our ability to create nitric oxide, therefore have higher and higher risks of plaquing and clotting or plaquing our arteries and blocking our arteries. So you want to add it in. It's kind of a no-brainer here. Okay, symptoms of low nitric oxide, because again, you're not going to get a diagnosis of low nitric oxide because we can't really even test it properly. And conventional medicine, your cardiologists might talk about it, but they're not going to test for it. They can't test for it. But symptoms would include, so if you have these symptoms, think of nitric oxide. It would be low muscle endurance, reduced brain stamina, reduced sexual stamina, poor circulation, elevations in blood pressure, and poor sexual performance and function in both men and women. So all of these symptoms can be reduced blood flow to the brain, reduced blood flow to genital areas, all of these things. And reduced blood flow is a consistent symptom with reduced nitric oxide in your arteries. So here are some nutraceuticals to increase what we call ENOS, so endothelial nitric oxide. Certain botanicals, vinpocetine, ginkgo biloba, hawthorn. These are game changers, actually. Huperzine A, and again, there's supplements with having all of these in them, all of them together. Food extract, again, beet extract. I use a lot of that in my clinic. And amino acids, arginine, and citrulline. And these different nutrients enhance nitric oxide. There's different ways to get nitric oxide up. This is just one clip from our cardiovascular course. Click below to access the entire version.